In this video I'm gonna show you 5 cool ideas how you can make money through coding with no paid job or with no experience. Yes, buddy, you don't need to become a corporate slave. This opportunity for you is provided by cryptocurrencies and games. And no, we're not gonna build a scam.
Game clones.
I will rather call this clone everything into the game. For example, you see that some characters became popular in TikTok. How can children play with it? And you clone popular game but with this character. Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't invent new game mechanics. Just copy. Of course, the first game will take 1 or 2 weeks to create. You can create it in Unity, even without programming. When you build a skill, one game will take only 2 or 3 days to create. But you need to find a designer that will become your teammate. Then your goal is to create up to 100 games. Some of them will give you nothing. But on average, every game can earn you, for example, $100. Multiply it by 100 games, boom! 10k per month. It even can become something like a passive income. Or you can earn more if your game becomes popular. You can create 20 games in 2 months, earning $2,000 for example, and then you can start hiring people. You can also teach your little brother how to create games. And boom, you have a small game studio. That's why I'm giving this niche 1 of 3 golden states for its difficulty and 2 for profitability. Okay, let's talk about serious business. Cryptocurrency. Not serious business at all.
Trading bots.
Trading bots are a very controversial topic with a lot of lie. Fake TikTok millionaires and crypto gurus, but a very cool niche associated with the trading bots are market making. Who are market makers? Imagine the god in finance. It's a market maker. Market makers are the guys who manipulate the price of tokens and paint these charts just like your math teacher. Simply, they buy and sell tokens to create a liquidity on centralized exchanges. And from an interview with the owner of market making company, because I'm not so knowledgeable, I heard the first step into this is to create your own trading bots. And fuck, with ChatGPT it's so easy to get started. Remember when Elon Musk changed a Twitter icon to Doggy? Dogecoin immediately went up, and some guys had the genius idea. They created a bot that waited for Elon Musk to change the icon back.
Who posted my nudes on Twitter?
After that, their script will open a short position on Dogecoin, which means that they bet the token would drop. And their idea worked. Elon Musk changed the icon, Dogecoin fell, and guess what happened? Their script sent notification that icon was changed.
Holy shit!
But had an open and short, and they lost the moment. But it was a brilliant idea, and there are plenty of such ideas on the market.
Airdrops.
Project Arbitrum gave more than $1.5 billion to its users for simply using their blockchain. You had to deposit money into this blockchain, do a few swaps, exchange one cryptocurrency for another, and that's all. For all of this you can have spent around $5, and through this action people on average receive from $1,000 to $4,000 in tokens, which they could immediately sell. What you were doing this time? This is called an airdrop, and it's the most popular method for earning money in cryptocurrency now. And no, airdrop doesn't mean that money just falls from the sky. Everything is simple. You do something, they give you money. Sounds like a paid job. Your job is to send transactions and test crypto platforms. But understand, you will not buy a Lambo if you have only one account. Imagine that you can do the same, but not only with one account, but with 100. I know guys that made hundreds of accounts and earned hundreds of thousands of dollars from Arbitrum, and as it may seem, it's not so easy to create such number of accounts by hand. That's why scripts are used.
Automation.
Automation is our key to success. If you can automate something, you will always earn. Now you can do anything with ChatGPT, and our task is to learn how to write automation scripts. Using automation scripts, even one guy can do the same work as a huge office of slaves. I remember I scraped one website to find investors of crypto companies. Then I scraped another website called Golden to find companies without investors. Added investors to them, earned points, which could then be exchanged for tokens, but the Golden was closed and I received nothing. Automation is something that can bring you money at any stage of market. You can always find opportunities to use it, no matter where, on NFT drops, on token sales, etc. That's why I'm giving this niche 1 of 3 golden staves for its difficulty, because you can start only from using simple Python scripts, and 3 for profitability.
Do it for other.
Many people need such services, and you even can set up automation script agency and provide such services. I was reading a chat of such agency, and their owner said that they're operating with millions of dollars every fucking month. I'm rating this niche 3 of 3 golden states for its difficulty, because you need to build a trust, and 3 for profitability. But you can solve problems not only in crypto space. For example, social media market agency. Sorry, I know that SMMA is too saturated niche and they always need to find clients. I remember when I was interested in SMMA, I joined different Discord channels about this topic.
Oh my!
And one guy messaged me, "Hey, do you want to test our product that will bring you 100 new leads for a business?" These were two school guys that set up their small service where you can scrape website for phone numbers, email, information about domain owner, etc. Let me give you $1 million startup idea. A service where you can upload a photo of any girl and artificial intelligence will find her OnlyFans. Okay, find a small problem, solve it, ask people in the industry to test your product, make it better, and then try to sell it. Speaking like a fucking millionaire. As you can see, Bitcoin now having not the best time ever. From my first try in crypto about 5 years ago, I saw a lot of cool cases in any stage of market. And the best money always has been made by people that had technical knowledge, because they could be a part of community of such people, they could do a better research and they could scale. I've introduced you to a new way how to use your developer skills. Some of them have a very low entry level, and because you can work at any time that suits you, it's ideal for if you're still in school, for example. Subscribe.